Welcome, my dear students. Today we explore the fascinating process of metamorphosis in insects, a remarkable transformation from egg to adult. We will learn about the types of metamorphosis, the hormones that control these metamorphic changes, and their chemical nature and sources. By the end of this class, you will understand how insects undergo gradual or complete transformations and how hormones like ecdysone and juvenile hormone orchestrate these developmental changes. Let's dive into the world of insect metamorphosis. Definition: what do you mean by metamorphosis? Metamorphosis is the biological process through which an insect develops from egg to adult, undergoing clear changes in body form. In many insects, this process involves larval, pupal, and adult stages. It allows insects at different stages to live in different habitats and use different food sources. Types of metamorphosis: basically there are three types of metamorphosis: ametabolous, or where no metamorphosis is found; hemimetabolous; and holometabolous. So in case of ametabolous metamorphosis, there is no metamorphosis at all. The young insects look like miniature adults here, and there is no major changes in body structure, only size increases with age. So at this stage, at ametabolous metamorphosis, egg is converted into young, which is very much similar with the adult, and then young will be gradually it will be increases in size and it will convert into adult. So examples of insects like silverfish or lepisma and springtails, where ametabolous metamorphosis is found. Basically they are ametabolous insects. So hemimetabolous insects are those who perform incomplete metamorphosis, and among them nymphs resemble adults but they lack wings or reproductive structures. Development occurs through gradual molting or shedding by the help of the hormone ecdysone, and the process is known as ecdysis. And there is no pupal stage. So here egg is converted into nymph, and nymph will be converted into adult, but the nymph stage has no wings or no reproductive structures. Examples: grasshopper, cockroach, dragonfly. When nymphs are aquatic, they are actually hemimetabolous insects. Holometabolous insects are where complete metamorphosis can be found. Their immature stage or larva looks completely different from the adults. So their larval stage is responsible for feeding and growth. Pupal stage is distinguished for reorganization of tissues and ultimately formation of adult body structures, and adult stage is dedicated for the reproduction and dispersal. So egg will be converted into larva, larva will be converted to pupa, and pupa will be converted into adult. So examples include butterfly such as Daras plexipsus, housefly, musca, silkworm, apis species, etc. So these image compares the three types of insect metamorphosis. In ametabolous insects, which is at the left, juvenile resembles smaller adults and develops directly from egg to adult with no major structural changes. In hemimetabolous insect, which is in the middle, the development proceeds from egg to nymph to adult, where nymphs look like adults but lack wings and reproductive organs, and no pupal stage is present in their life cycle. So in holometabolous insects at the right, blue colored, the life cycle includes egg, larva, pupa, and adult stage, with larvae looking very different from adults and undergoing complete transformation during the pupal stage. The bottom arrow indicates that developmental complexity increases from ametabolous to hemimetabolous to holometabolous. So hormonal control of metamorphosis. Metamorphosis process can be regulated by three major hormones. First one is the ecdysone or molting hormone, which is secreted from the prothoracic glands. They are actually, it is a steroid hormone. Its function, it initiates molting or the process of ecdysis, and it stimulates pupal formation in holometabolous insects. Second one is the juvenile hormone, which is also known as JH. Corpora alata glands found in the brain, they secrete the juvenile hormone. The hormone is sesquiterpenoid in chemical nature. Their functions: they maintain larval architects, larval characteristics, they prevent early development, The reduction in juvenile hormone leads to pupation and adult formation. So brain hormones, another brain hormone is neurosecretory hormones, which is released from the neurosecretory cells of the brain. The PTTH, prothoracicotropic hormone, it is also known as, and PTTH activates prothoracic glands to produce the ecdysone. So thank you, my dear students, for joining today's class. We explored metamorphosis in insects, learning about its types, gradual and complete, the hormones involved and their chemical nature and sources, from ecdysone triggering molting to juvenile hormone regulating development. These hormones coordinate the remarkable transformation from egg to adult, and I hope this class helped you understand how insects grow, change and adapt through metamorphosis. Stay curious, keep learning, and see you in the next class. Thank you.